What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another video. And today's video, we're actually gonna be doing a review, and we're gonna be reviewing the Heiniger Sirius detachable clipper. Let's get it.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, guys, so jumping straight into this video, some of y'all may not even ever touched a detachable clipper. Y'all never seen one before, y'all never touched one before. You know, a lot of the younger barbers really don't use detachables. But the thing about detachable clippers are they're really great for debulking and balding out, right? So a lot of the OG barbers still use detachable clippers. I know we have about 3 barbers in the barbershop that I'm at right now, including myself, that use detachable clippers. So they can be used in your arsenal. You can't keep them in the arsenal and use them for certain things. And if you don't want to use them, you don't have to. But I'm just gonna give y'all my review on this one, the Heiniger Sirius detachable clipper, because I got this clipper in about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I've been putting it to use, and I just wanted to give y'all my thoughts about it and let y'all know what I thought about this detachable clipper. So just some FYI, guys, Heiniger does have 2 detachable clippers. This one is called the Sirius. This is a dual speed motor, so it has 2 speeds on it, a slower speed and a higher speed. And they also have one called the Orion, which is basically like the Oster Octane. I do believe that Heiniger used to white label the Octanes. You know, basically it was the Orion clipper, but they were just white labeling it for Oster, and Oster was using it and selling it. So they sell that one also, but then they also have this one, which is somewhat of a newer upgraded version. And the reason why I say that is because it's a smaller clipper and it has 2 speeds, and I think it's a lot quieter than the Oster Octanes were. So I believe this is like an upgraded version. But before we actually dive deeper into this clipper, if you are interested in purchasing this or you want to see the price on them, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. They do have both the Orion and the Sirius on their website. I believe the Orion is $249.95, and I think the Orion is $299.95. Now I know you're probably thinking like, bro, that's a lot of money for a clipper, $250 and $300 basically. However, if y'all have used detachables before, y'all know detachables are more expensive clippers due to the way these are produced, the way they're manufactured, the way they're put together. It's just a more expensive tool to produce, right? So that's why these are more expensive than your traditional clipper. But I do want to say that these clippers are technically on sale right now because they are going to go up in the beginning of the year. You know, come 2025, these clippers are going to go up. This is like an introductory type price. So if you want to purchase a detachable clipper and you're interested in these, I would head over to fwbarbersupply.com right now, and I think about purchasing them. I might click on them and put them in the cart right now. And once again, guys, you can use my discount code TANK10 on that website when you do purchase these tools. That way you can save yourself 10%, right? But nonetheless, man, that's the price right now, because like I said, once the first of the year hits, they are going to raise the price. I'm not exactly sure what they're going to raise the price to, but I know the prices are going to raise. Like I said, this is just like a promo that they're doing. So y'all head over to that website, grab you a pair. If you're trying to get it, do it ASAP, right?
Damn Damn it, Tito. Another one?
But nonetheless, man, let's jump into talking about the Heiniger detachable clipper, the Sirius. This is the one I have right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all, and just so y'all know, I do have the Heiniger 3-aught on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all so y'all can hear the motor on it. I'm gonna first put it on the low speed and then the high speed. So here's the first speed. That's the lower speed. And honestly, to me, it still doesn't sound, it doesn't sound too bad to me. And then this is the higher speed. I honestly like the sound of the higher speed better. It just, I don't know, it just sounds a little better. I like that hum a little better, but I don't think that's loud at all, especially for a detachable clipper. If you've used detachable clippers, especially the Oster Octanes, you know those things are loud, and you know these things are a lot quieter, right? So it is a quieter clipper. I do like the little paint splats on it, you know, looking at the ergonomics and the way this thing looks. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but we got like some little, you know, galaxy style paint on here. So I like that. And then once again, I do like that it is slightly smaller than the Oster Octanes. I like the dual speed on it. People ask, why would you use a slower speed? A lot of times the slower speed is used for detailing. So I have used this for detailing because sometimes, you know, cuts don't come out the way I wanted them to come out with regular clippers at times. So I went back and I detailed with this, and with that slower speed, that speed right there, I feel that you can get a good product with detailing at a slower speed because it really lets you dial into what you're trying to do without messing up the cut, right? But check it out once again, the Sirius clipper. Now, I'm not doing an unboxing, and the reason for that is the unboxing is pretty basic. And what I mean by that is you basically get the clipper, you get the charging dock, which this is the charging dock right here. And then you also get a charging cord to, you know, to plug the dock into. But once you sit the clipper on the dock, this is how it looks. And I know y'all probably thinking like, bro, that's a pretty big dock for a clipper, but I like it. It looks very premium, and that's just me, right? Obviously everyone is entitled to their own opinion, but I like the way the clipper sits in the dock. Let me scoot back a little bit. I like the way the clipper sits in the dock. I like the way it sits there. It's nice and sturdy. It ain't going nowhere. It's gonna sit in there nicely, right? But I do not have all the Heiniger blades. The only one I have is the 3.0s, but I do have the Andis and Oster blades on my station. And when I say blades, because I'm talking about the metal blades, I'm not talking about guards, I'm talking about the blades. And I have a lot of them, right? I have the 5-aught all the way up to, I think, the 5.8. So I have basically every blade I need. And the good thing about this clipper is it's technically universal. And like I said, what I mean by that is you can place an Andis blade on here, an Oster blade, a wall blade, you know what I'm saying? Any type of blade that you have that's a detachable blade, you can place on this clipper and it's gonna work. So once again, here is the Heiniger 000s, and I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna go ahead and put an Andis blade on there just to show y'all that it fits. So that is the Andis blade. This is the 2-blade. Fits on there perfect. Really don't have an issue with it fitting on there. And it cuts the way it should cut with this blade on there.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Now, one thing that I do like, and I'm gonna compare this a little bit to the new Andis. I forgot the name of the Andis detachable clipper that they just dropped a while back, but they have like a locking feature on there, and I don't like that because it kind of slows me down. So I like that they didn't put that on here, and I know some people may like the locking feature because it helps keep that blade on there when they're brushing it off and such, but I ain't really got that issue, so I'm glad that they don't have it on there, right? I'm glad that it just snaps on and snaps off easy like that. But as far as use of this clipper, man, like I said, once again, I like the way it works. The blades, once again, I have been using the Andis and Austria blades, so you know, I don't think that is a big difference, but some people may have a preference. Me personally, I don't. I'll just use whatever blades I need that fit on this, right? So I like that it's universal and you can use different blades on this clipper. But all in all, man, I would say it's a great tool. Like I said earlier in the video, the reason for detachables is for debulking and balding out. You can do whole haircuts with this. I have done whole haircuts with just this clipper. If y'all been watching my YouTube, y'all see that I did one, I think last week, and I have another one that I'm gonna post either this week or next week. So y'all make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That way you know when I drop that video. But you can get, you know, clean cuts with just using blades. It's just a learning curve. So if you are interested in that, make sure to subscribe because I will be dropping a couple videos just using this clipper on my channel, right? So y'all make sure to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. But nonetheless, man, that's all I wanted to talk about was the Heiniger Sirius detachable clipper. Once again, they do have this at fwbarbersupply.com. You can go there, use my discount code TANK10, and for this clipper, like I said, I think it's $299.95, or if you want the one speed that is more traditional to the octanes, it is a little bigger than this one. It only has one speed, but it is a little cheaper. I think that one's $249.95. But remember, guys, come the beginning of the year, the prices are gonna go up. So once again, if you wanna purchase these, go purchase them now before the beginning of the year, get that discounted price. That way you don't gotta pay more for the tool. But nonetheless, man, you can buy it, you cannot, it's up to you. If you like detachables, you know, you're gonna like this. And if you don't like detachables, you still might like it. You might wanna try it out. It's up to you. You know, you ain't gotta listen to me at all. I'm just letting y'all know my thoughts on this tool. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. You.